There is always a space for hanging plants in every plant lover's garden, no matter how small or big the garden is. I always fascinated the beauty of the hanging plants, how their vines dangle from a height, how they give a vertical look of lush green. Today I am going to show you how a nice hanging plant can be a welcome addition to your home decor. So welcome to my channel Grow Style Gardening with Gitanjali. To enhance the beauty of any hanging plants, the size of the pots matters a lot. The pots may be shallow, wide, having a big mouth like this. This type of pots are suitable for those plants who have broad and wide leaves like this pothos. And such type of plants also epicea. These leaves rest on the pots and spread horizontally. It gives a spectacular look in both ways. Or you can choose a tall container so that their vines dangle from a height, create a more vertical look. Or else you want to hide the pot completely and give a fuller look by the plants only. So you can always choose a small pot and it can be treated as a very nice tabletop plant. But always choose those plants which have small vines and they grow very slowly. But small pots always need constant watering and more maintenance compared to tall and big containers. Right placing of the pots with right type of plants enhance the beauty of your home. Those plants which have long vines and they grow rapidly, they should be placed at a higher level so that their vines can dangle from a height, and the way they cascading from their pots gives a spectacular look. There are a number of ways to hang your plants. You can use rope, chain, macrame. You can hang them from a ceiling or like this way. And those plants which grow very slowly and they don't have long vines, they can be placed at a lower level to have a closer look, or on the top of a table. You can choose these plants for your interior decoration. At the same time, you have a lots of options for different types of hanging baskets or containers to decorate your plants. You can use clay pots which are very sensitive to the water, mostly for the succulent types of hanging plants. You can use ceramic pots, even a tin can. Nowadays metallic containers are widely used. It always gives an elegant look to your living space. The uniqueness of these hanging plants is they can adapt to any size of the pots and adapt to any conditions, and they can use your air space. Nowadays we all have very small space left for gardening, or have a very small balcony or a small terrace garden or a small patio. So this is the one of the perfect way of brightening your empty space with these plants, and your creativity can add more beauty. Thank you for watching this video.